Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Chef MMN, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make Nigerian chin chin. If this is what you would like to learn, please stick to the video to the very end, and please don't forget to like this video so others can see it. The ingredients I'll be using are flour, butter and margarine. You can as well use only margarine or only butter, sugar, powdered milk. I'll also use liquid milk because I don't want to add water in this chin chin recipe. I'll also be using salt to taste. So the first thing to do when working flour is to sieve it. After sieving the flour, I'm going to add in my dry ingredients first and stir. Everything is milk. That's what I'm going to be using to mold this chin chin. You can spice this chin chin with any spice of your choice. I added nutmeg to my chin chin. After properly combining my dry ingredients to my flour mixture, I'm going to go in with my liquid, which is the milk. I'll add the milk bit by bit so that I'll get the right consistency for my chin chin dough. Some flour takes a lot of water while some take little water. If you watch this video to this very time, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. The ingredient list and the measurements will be on the description box, so please check it out. So I have my chin chin dough. If you notice, I did not knead this chin chin dough. Just mix it the way I'm doing it now. Press it in. Press it very well. If you knead your chin chin, if you overwork your chin chin dough, it will come out strong. It will not be very crunchy. So I will go ahead and allow my chin chin dough to rest for a few minutes before I put it on the work surface and roll it out. So guys, it's time to roll out our dough. So I go ahead and roll my dough like this. Cut it into desired shapes. I'm using my pizza cutter. You can also use knife if you don't have a pizza cutter. So guys, it's time to fry our chin-chin. I didn't add any baking powder to my chin-chin, and I did not spray any flour on the work surface while rolling and cutting this chin-chin because it's not actually necessary for this recipe. This is a luxury chin-chin recipe. One of the tips on frying your chin-chin like a pro: when frying your chin-chin, don't stir immediately. Allow the dough to sit and get used to the oil first before you start to stir. At least let it sit for 30 to 35 seconds before you start to stir. And when you stir, kindly stir from the side. Don't stir from the middle so that you will not scatter your chin-chin. Stir from the side gently and kindly fry this on medium to low heat so that your chin-chin will come out golden brown and in uniform color. You can see that my chin-chin is well fried nicely and I did not have any foaming on top of my oil. That's because there's no extra flour on my chin-chin when I was cutting it, and there's no baking powder. Although this chin-chin recipe is a luxury recipe for big clients and it's super crunchy, very crunchy and melt in the mouth. If you watch this video to this very time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. It's actually free. Like this video, comment, and you can as well share my videos. Thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you for the support. And if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and join the family. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.